Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode on the Audi TT. Let's get this thing in, shall we? So yes, hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be trying to put this into the Audi TT. Obviously in the last episode we hit a rather large stumbling block in that the threads on the tensioner had stripped out the threads at the side of the aluminium block. I have got a helicoil kit down there, so that's the first thing I'm going to do, and then we can try and get this back into the car. Okay, so with the timing belt now repaired with that helicoil in the tensioner, I've put everything back together, the timing belt is now on, it's all timed up, and the engine is now ready to be put back into the car. So let's do it. So the engine is now in place. We've bolted up both engine mounts either side of the engine. All that's left to do now is concentrate on the underside, bolt up the bottom engine mount and the drive shafts, and then we can just concentrate on doing the top end. Okay, so all the engine mounts are now connected, the one underneath is now on, the prop shaft is all together. What I'm also going to be doing is replacing the inlet manifold that came with the engine for the one that was actually originally on the car. So this one has been by far superior condition. This one has been painted a horrible red colour and just looks absolutely awful. There's also some lines, vacuum lines and stuff that's all been blocked off. So I'm going to use the original inlet manifold, and I'm also going to be having to reuse the coils from the original engine. The original ones, they are genuine bag units. These are Bosch ones, and they've also been chipped, and there's also some corrosion where water has sat on them. So I'm going to have to reuse them as well. So we're just now starting to piece everything else back together, and hopefully we'll be able to give it a turnover today. So as you can see, the engine is now in its final position. I've done a lot of the rebuild, so I've put majority of the things back together. I've routed most of the looms all in its correct position, connected a lot of the connectors back up. There's still a few little bits I still need to do. I still need to bolt the drive shafts back up. There's still a few other little clips and stuff that I need to do. I also then need to fill up with all the fluids, so coolant, oil, brake fluid. I need to bleed the clutch. So there's still a fair amount of work to do, but I'm really happy with the progress we've made. So hopefully in the next episode we'll get everything done and give it its first start. So until then, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.